Hello and welcome to Little Blue Star. I'm Jane Allen and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. This is another card using the Painted Poppies stamp set, but it's veering away from the traditional poppy colours, and I'm just showing you alternative colours, which is one that I like. As you know, I love sort of blue tones, and this is with Pool Party. So I've grabbed this one here, and let's get started. Oh, and this one here. Let's get started. So we've got a base card of Pool Party, and we have got Pool Party ink, and I am going to grab this one here, which is sort of the row of poppies, and I'm going to ink that up in black. No, I'm not. I'm going to do that in Pool Party first. Sorry, Pool Party, and we are going to go along the bottom here. So ink that in Pool Party, and then when you start, just come off the page just a touch, and then you get a nice graduated one across the page, and then you're just going near to the next one and then off the page again, and you get that nice flowing effect across the bottom. It's just another little texture across the bottom of the card just to add some more interest to your card at the bottom. I'm just going to go and clean that quickly. There we go. Then that's our base card. Then we've got a layer of black and a layer of white. My layer of white is 2 1/4 by 3 1/4, and then the layer of black is 2 3/8 by 3 3/8. I'm just going to ink that in black, and that's going to go in the middle of my white piece here, like so. And then we want the little swooshy bit, which is this sort of one here. Bring our Pool Party back in, and then ink up that, and you can go back in, go across again, obviously do as much as you want. It's sort of that effect of the sort of swooshy bit, I don't know how else to call it, and then we're going to layer that onto there. I'm just going to glue that on. Just an alternative colour. I actually cased this, which, if you don't know, case is copy and selectively edit or something like that. You obviously see cards you like, and there's something about them makes you want to have a go yourself. I hope that I do that with you, and you have a go at casing mine. But it's always nice to give credit if you have cased someone's work. So I've cased here a lady called Lynn Dunn, and it was a card that I liked with these colours, this stamp set, and I've just tweaked it a little bit, but mostly her design. So there we go. And then I'm going to add a sentiment which I've got from a Grand Kid, which I've used before, this happy birthday, and I've actually gone ahead and embossed it on black with my white embossing powder. So embossed with white onto black, and I've already done that. Now you could just have that if you want, but I'm just going to cut mine. So I will link, hopefully I can try and link my how to heat emboss video that I've done before, because obviously you don't want to see me doing it all the time, but I will try and link that below. So if you haven't done any heat embossing and you think, how on earth did you do that, I will link it below, and you can go and have a little watch of that and see how I've done this. But I do use that technique quite a lot because I love the white on the black. It just makes a lovely crisp image, and I think the embossing really does show it off as a nice crisp white, because you can get white ink, but I always think it doesn't really show it to its best potential. So you will always get a lovely crisp image when you heat emboss on in white on the black. So that's why I'm doing it there. And then I will just put that on the back just to show you there. Super simple card. Hope you like that. Thanks for joining me today. Give it a thumbs up, comment if you want to, and as I said, I'll link the embossing one so you can see how I did that below. But as always, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.